What happens when months of silence suddenly turn into a wave of leaks, insider updates, and retail sightings? That's exactly what's happening right now with the upcoming DJI Avata 360. After a long quiet period, one of the most reliable DJI insiders, Jasper Ellens, has resurfaced with a major update, a March launch window, with China expected to get it first. And when the quiet phase ends for DJI products, things usually move very fast. Today, we're breaking down the latest signs that the Avata 360 isn't just coming, it's almost here. One of the strongest indicators didn't come from a flashy trailer or cinematic leak. Instead, a low-resolution internal training clip surfaced, showing how to insert and activate the drone's redesigned battery. Now, the video quality was poor, but the significance is huge. Internal activation tutorials usually appear only when hardware is already in testers' hands. That strongly suggests review units are already circulating among early evaluators and content creators. In other words, this launch has moved from theory to operational reality. Then came another major clue. An Italian drone outlet revealed what appears to be official retail packaging, and this gave us our first real look at the drone's positioning. Inside the box art, the Avata 360 is shown running through the interface of DJI Goggles 3, confirming compatibility with DJI's latest FPV ecosystem. Side-by-side comparisons also suggest the new drone is slightly larger than the previous DJI Avata 2. And that makes sense. A drone designed to handle both FPV flight and full 360 capture needs more processing power, better cooling, and larger batteries. This time, DJI appears to be prioritizing performance over the sub-250-gram category. Speaking of batteries, leaks point to a completely redesigned intelligent flight pack along with a new 3-slot charging hub. The new battery is reportedly flatter and more efficient, with improved energy density and thermal management. Flight time is expected to land between 23 and 25 minutes, which is impressive considering the heavy processing demands of dual sensors and real-time 360 recording. And that brings us to the feature that could change everything. Multiple reports suggest the Avata 360 may support up to 8K 360-degree video. But the real innovation is the rumored switchable camera system. Pilots could fly normally using a forward FPV view, then switch to full spherical capture, allowing them to reframe the shot later in post. Fly first, choose the angle later. If true, this could merge the worlds of FPV drones and dedicated 360 cameras into a single system. There's also talk of new stabilization algorithms designed specifically for reframed footage, a critical feature when your final composition happens after the flight. Transmission leaks point toward an O4 class video system, meaning low latency, high-quality live feeds, and full compatibility with DJI's newest controllers and goggles. Some rumors even hint at real-time reframing previews, though that part remains unconfirmed. When you step back and look at the pattern, the timeline becomes clear. Months of silence, then certification movement, packaging leaks, internal tutorials, and now, a confirmed insider launch window. The quiet phase is officially over. And the DJI Avata 360 no longer feels like a distant concept. It feels imminent. So what do you think? Is combining 360 capture with FPV flight the next evolution of immersive aerial filmmaking, or just a niche experiment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of every DJI leak and launch, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because the next big reveal might be closer than you think.